What if I told you there's one day in the entire Hindu calendar where every single action you take, every prayer, every ritual, every good deed multiplies infinitely and never diminishes? Sounds almost too good to be true, right? Well, welcome to the magic of Akshaya Tritiya, and today we are going to tell you exactly how to make the most of it. Welcome back, beautiful souls, to Astrobhava and Vedic Secrets, your go-to space for ancient wisdom, real spiritual guidance, and transformative Vedic remedies. I'm so glad you're here today because this episode is special. So first things first, what exactly is Akshaya Tritiya? The word Akshaya in Sanskrit literally means that which never diminishes. This is the third lunar day of the bright fortnight in the month of Vaishak, and it is considered one of the most auspicious days in the entire Vedic calendar. This is the day when the sun and moon are simultaneously at their most exalted positions. Think about that for a second. Both luminaries, both the father and the mother of our cosmic energy, are at their peak strength. That kind of divine alignment, it does not happen every day, friends. Now, before we dive into the rituals, let me share something that truly moved us here at Astrobhava. We had a client, her name is Rachel from the US. Rachel had been going through a deeply difficult phase, professional setbacks, a feeling of spiritual emptiness, and what she described as a persistent dark cloud over her life. She reached out to Astrobhava, and on the last Akshaya Tritiya, she participated in a Pratyangira Homa performed on her behalf by our expert priests at our Yagna Ashram in India. Rachel wrote to us saying, and I am paraphrasing, that after the Homa, she felt a deep sense of peace wash over her. The negativity she had been carrying for years simply lifted, and within weeks, things in her career and personal life began to shift in the most beautiful ways. That's the power of performing the right ritual on the right day. And that is exactly what Akshaya Tritiya gives us, a divine amplifier. Alright, let's get into it. The rituals you can perform this Akshaya Tritiya and how Astrobhava makes these accessible to you, no matter where you are in the world. The first one is Lakshmi Puja or Homa. Akshaya Tritiya is deeply connected to Goddess Lakshmi, the divine embodiment of wealth and abundance. A Lakshmi Puja or a Homa performed on this day is believed to draw in prosperity that stays with you for a lifetime. And at Astrobhava, our certified Vedic priests perform this live from our sacred ashram, and you can watch it in real time from your phone or laptop, no matter if you are in India, the UK, or anywhere across the globe. The second one is participate in Vishnu Puja. Lord Vishnu is the preserver of the universe, and Akshaya Tritiya is one of his most sacred days. A personalized Vishnu Puja through Astrobhava tailored with your name, birth details, and go through channels blessings of the protection, health, and spiritual growth directly to you and your family. The third one is Japa services for manifestation. This is one of Astrobhava's most powerful offerings. Personalized jap, where sacred mantra are chanted repeatedly with absolute devotion and precision on your behalf. On Akshaya Tritiya, the vibrational frequency of mantra is magnified. If there's something specific you are praying for, a child, a new home, healing, this is the day to channel it. And the last one, you can receive the energized prasad and yantra. Astrobhava ships energized prasad and complimentary yantra worldwide, blessed during the actual ritual. Keeping a yantra energized on Akshaya Tritiya at home creates a continuous stream of divine protection and abundance throughout the year. Friends, Akshaya Tritiya is not just a festival. It is an invitation from the universe, an invitation to reset, to rise, and to receive. Don't let this day pass by without connecting to the divine. Visit astrobhava.com today, explore our Akshaya Tritiya offerings, and book your ritual before slots fill up. Our priests, our ashram, and our ancient tradition are here, waiting to serve your soul. This is Riya signing off from Esther Bhava and Vedic Secrets. Until the next time, may your blessings be Akshaya, eternal and ever growing.